week's video. So, for another video, I haven't done this one in a while, but I'm excited to bring them back on my channel, and it is my Ipsy unboxings. So, I have January's, and I'm so excited to unbox this, or kind of like see what is in here. They normally send sneak peeks. I never really look at the sneak peeks, so I have not seen what is in here. So I'm so excited. Oh, anyways, let's get straight on into the video. Nope. Okay. So, first things first, the bag is really cute. It reminds me of like a beach kind of vibe. I'm really digging it. Let's jump right in. So, the first thing that I see in here is the Naked Cosmetics in the color Heavy Metal, and it's like this really cool, like, champagne. It's this really cool blue. I'm pretty sure this is a loose powder, like a loose pigment. I'm not 100% sure though. Let me open. It looks loose because like I can see it moving around when I move the actual container. So there we go. How do we? I don't want to like fall off on this. Oh, okay, it twists. Okay, yeah. So it's really like a loose color blue. I don't know if you guys can see that or how well you guys can see that. I'm not going to swatch it, but it does look very pigmented, and it looks like there's some glitter in it as I twirl it into the light. So yeah. The next thing, this one didn't fit in the bag itself, it was just in the actual pink packaging. So this is a lip color pencil from Alamisqua. I don't know how to pronounce it. Pretty sure that's what it's called. And it looks like it's in the color Lust. That's what it says right here on the side. So let's see. Okay, yeah. So it is in the color Lust. That is the color, if you guys can see that. And I'm gonna swatch it. Let's see how pigmented it is. Okay, it goes on pretty well, like really smooth, really like glides on. So definitely like that one. Next thing that I have, oh, it almost looks like the cloud paint. But it is this blush serum from Botanico Beauty, I think. So yeah, it's a nourishing water-based cheek and lip color. So let's see what color this is. Because there's an orange cap, so kind of makes me worry a little bit. Hope it's not like orange. I don't think they would do that though. I mean, I hope not. Okay. I really don't want my cheeks being orange. I want to look like Oompa Loompa or something like that. So just unscrew it, the cap like normal, and then there is one of these plastic metal things. Oh! It got on my finger. It is kind of like an orangey color. Not gonna lie. Okay, let's put add this in here. Okay, it comes out so fast. Ooh, that was a lot of product. Pigment. It's kind of like a corally. So it's like this corally orange color or corally pink. It's blending. Okay, it blends in really good. It is like a corally pink. It does feel really silicone-y. I feel like, at least when I'm putting it on, like, I can, like, it feels silicone-y. But that's just my personal preference. So yeah, let's get on to the next one. Next thing that is in here is Nail Medic Rosehip and Green Tea Infused Nail Polish. So this nourishes and hydrates for healthier nails and enriched with green tea antioxidants. Sounds like something I need to try. Oh, guys, this is so pretty. This is definitely like a rose metallic color. Really adorable. Definitely putting this onto my nails. I might actually put it on tonight, but definitely that's adorable. I love this. Thank you. Okay, so the next thing and last thing is this Arker. It's AKAR Skin Mini Care Lip Balm. It's organic and non-toxic. We love organic and non-toxic products here. So, I'm sorry ripping the package open. It's cute, but I gotta get this out. So, this is what it looks like, and then that is the inside of it. So, it smells like fruity, but kind of smells like the balm, like a normal like chapstick or lip balm. It does smell really fresh, so I'm not gonna lie about that. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. And let me know if you want more videos like this or any suggestions that you have. Leave them in the comments below. I will be responding to everyone. So yeah, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!